It's December again already. It's cold, the sun sets at 4 p.m, everyone's depressed, and to top it all off, it's time for performance reviews at work. You spent all year going above and beyond, grinding it out day in and day out. Now you have to prove it. But as soon as you get that self-review form in your hands, it magically erases your entire memory of the past 12 months. Another year of no raise and no promotion. You don't have to live like this anymore. Prove your value and get promoted with career logs. So that's Career Logs, an app to help you keep track of your goals, achievements, and contributions at work to help you get promoted. That was a fancy introduction, but let's go through the app together and see how you would use it on a daily basis. Starting off with the dashboard or the log page, this is where you're going to be keeping notes as your day progresses. You can see here for December 12th, which is today, I've built an internal CLI tool, I wrote some documentation, I helped Charles out, and I pasted in this image to show you that you can paste in images and hyperlinks as well. Now this is my demo environment. You can have multiple employers, but I do have Coconut Software as my real employer because I've been using this app daily for a few months now. And one thing that I've really liked to do is if my day ends and I have some work left over, or I just want to remember to do something the next day, I can simply switch to like Monday or the next week. I can create my checklist, like review that PR, do a hyperlink, reply to that comment, right? And this basically helps me keep track of work so I don't forget it the next day. But let's head back to December 12th and take a look at this goals section. So you've written down your contributions throughout the day, but now it's time to connect them back to your key results. You can see here that this one's highlighted blue. You can click any of them to do that. And this basically communicates to you and the app that your work today aligns with this key result. It's basically like a soft check-in. You know, you haven't committed to the full check-in yet. But you can commit to a full check-in and upgrade your progress by clicking this check-in button. Now you can see here, this is the key result and this is your progress so far. You can update it. Let's increase it to like 5. You can write down some notes and then you can click check in. A little confetti to celebrate with you. But some days you work on so many different things that you have no idea which key results align with the work. That's where this AI feature comes into play, Ask Alfred. Hear me out, I know AI features are usually useless, but this one's kind of useful. You can go ahead and ask Alfred, and he's going to take a look at your goals and key results and the work you've done, and he's going to suggest key results that again align with the work you've done. So it's recognized that I did some documentation today, so it's recommended the ones I've already checked into, which is perfect. But you can select the other ones, you can check into them, and then you can clear suggestions. Moving on to the next section, we have our tags. Some employers might ask you to prove that you've shown initiative, where you've shown leadership, stuff like that, and this is where this comes into play. You can go ahead and select some tags like leadership, collaboration, organization, and time management, and this basically marks that, you know, on this given day, December 12th, you showed initiative, you showed collaboration. And in the future, when you need examples of where you showed leadership, you can filter your logs for specific tags, and you can come to those specific days and find what you did. And then lastly, we have this how was work today section where you can basically rate or express how your day was using these emojis. Now this might seem like just a fun part of the form, but this does actually help you identify like what kind of work or what specific days make you the happiest or make you the saddest. Alright, I keep mentioning searching your logs and filtering your logs, so let's head over to the search your logs page. On this page, you have an infinite scroll of all of your logs with all of their information. You have the notes, you have your tags, and you have the rating. Now this is an infinite scroll page where all of your logs just keep coming, but on this demo environment, we only have until November 28th. But you can go ahead and search your logs, so like internal CLI tool that comes up. You can search for like documentation, it comes up. Let's say you want to look back on a day where you worked on the Chrome form filler extension. You found it, and you can even click into it and look at the entire form. And of course, we have our filters to search for exactly what we need. We can filter on tags, so when you showed leadership or innovation. And then you have your filtering on your ratings. You can see what days you were thrilled, what days you were alright, and you also have your no ratings. You can filter on key results. For example, create or update technical documentation. I have 2 entries that align with that key result, and it's these 2. You can also filter on a date range. We have some templates here, previous 30 days, 90, 180, etc. Or you can select specific date ranges, so like December the 1st until the 5th. These are the logs that you filled out on those days. Let's go ahead and clear this. And of course, we have some more filtering options on the roadmap. Before we check out Alfred, let's go check out the notebook because that's a feature I use extensively almost every single day. Now the notebook is for things that don't quite fit into a single day's log. For example, I have one-on-one notes with my manager, I have brainstorming for an upcoming feature, and I have a to-do list that spans the entire quarter. You can easily create a new notebook page, give it a title, coffee orders, my go-to example, and begin jotting things down. It does have Markdown available, so you can express yourself however you need. And of course, you can easily delete a page. Next up, let's check out the goals page. This is where you're going to give the app all of your goals and key results that you would like to track. You can go ahead and create a goal here. You can give it a title, a description, and various key results with different metrics like percentage, numeric, and completion. And if you do numeric, you can of course set the target to whatever number you'd like. Now, once you create your goal and keep track of your progress, you can come back to this goals page, find that goal and expand it. Here you can see individual key results, their progress, number of check-ins, number of relevant logs, and you can of course check in as well. Or you can click on the actual goal to see an overview of the key results and their progress and a history of activity on the goal. So for example, December 9th, I checked into this goal, create or update technical documentation, and I marked it as complete, and I wrote down some notes here. Wrote and updated documentation for the VS Code feature. This is really useful for, when it's time to actually put together your promotion package or do your yearly review. You want to come back and see what specific details you wrote down when you checked into these goals. Alright, and last but not least, let's check out Alfred and see what he's capable of. Alfred is your personal AI career companion and has access to your logs and goals, so he understands your progress, achievements, and the milestones you're working towards. He says, ask me anything about your work at Lorem Ipsum Co., which is the name of my employer, and he mentions that he has access to the 12 logs and 6 goals that I've created. Let's see here. Tell me about my progress on the Chrome form filler extension. He searches through my goals, searches through my logs, and beautiful. Even though this is a demo environment with not a lot of data, Alfred was still able to give me a good overview of my progress. So he gave me a refresher of the goals that I have set for this extension, and then an overview of my contributions with the specific dates. So if I want to go back and look at them, I know where they are. So December 4th, 5th, and 9th, I worked on them. A summary of my progress, and even next step suggestions. Fantastic. Alright, and that is Career Logs, the tool to help you keep track of your goals, achievements, and contributions at work to help you get promoted. If you see value in this tool and think it would help your career, don't hesitate to go to careerlogs.app and create yourself a free account and get started today. Spending a few minutes every day to keep track of your contributions and achievements and your progress towards your goals is a powerful habit that will help you immensely when it comes time to reviews, promotions, or even when you want to look back and find some information. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you find some value in this tool and it helps your career. I know for sure it's been helping mine. I've been keeping track of my daily work for about 7 or 8 months now, and it's not only been fun, but it's also been very rewarding. Let me know in the comments if you have any feature suggestions, any bug reports, anything like that. I have yet to set up an official bug report section for this app, but that's coming soon. Don't you worry. Thank you again, and have a good one. Bye-bye.